If you don't want to lose your emails in Outlook, or if you just want to clear up your inbox without worrying about losing your important conversations, and this video will save you from a disaster. Hello, welcome back to Mr. Topkin's Tech Blog. This video will explain how to take backup of all your emails in Outlook in just 2 minutes. Outlook uses a special file format for exporting emails. It's called TST, or Personal Storage Table. Its Outlook local data file format to store emails, contacts, tasks, notes, all in one single file, which can be shared easily. In a previous video on this channel, I have explained how to switch to Outlook Classic in your Windows 11 laptop. In this video, we are going to use Outlook Classics to take backup of our emails. Head over to the Outlook Classic and log in with your email ID. Once you are done, just go to the file menu on the left top. Under that, you need to choose open and export. In that menu, you need to choose import and export. It will open a small window where we have a multiple options, but you need to choose export to a file and click on next. On the next screen, choose .pst file format. And after that, your inbox draft and deleted emails plus your junk emails will already be selected. You just need to click on next to export. So now you have an option to replace the old backups or you don't want. You can also choose where you want to save the file. I will just rename the file to current date. So it will be easier to remember which date backup is it. Once you are done renaming the backup, and you just need to click on finish, and that will export your PST file to the desired location. You also have an option to encrypt those files if you don't want to be stolen or hacked. Then you can enter the password. I will just enter 12345 for this for example. And you need to click OK. It will prompt you for the password you just set up. So enter that password again and click on OK to export. Once you are done exporting, you will have that PST file. You can import it later on to the Outlook or into the other account. I hope this video helped you a little bit. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you into the next video. Bye for now.